And even if it did, we stormed through others, yo.
Yo, look, listen here, little bitch, right now you talking to the big dog. I've been down so long, it's time I boss, so don't get crisscrossed. Mambo with the wings, can't fuck with snakes, you know I've been sauced. I don't even drink, but I pop bottles for my kinfolk. Last name Bratang, check the history, I've been dope. Young Bo, where I'm from is gritty and it's cutthroat. Oh no, Wild Wild West, thank God I'm blessed, therefore I unload. Orders off my chest, I'm coughing C4, watch it explode. Yo, how I block your number, but you still manage to send text though. Shit, I need a mate, I'm black man wishing I'm on go mode. Phil done got 100K views without no promo. That ain't even enough, cause we need meals, can't fuck with dodos. RP Trav, my nigga Hit and JoJo. This college shit done got a nigga soft, that's how it go though. Acting like you something that you not, just know we know though. Ducking indictments since a freshman nigga YOLO. Check the way I bought, don't say too much, don't make it hot. When they made box a couple yachts, compare how views can match your spots. A few more pockets for these knots. Times is ticking, palms is itching, cooking up, my God on watch.